If b equals to 2, c equals to 3, d equals to 5, find the value of log root b cube c cube minus log root b to the power minus 3 minus log root b cube d cube, and we divide this expression by 3 by 4 log 1.44. Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to simplify this logarithm expression. Let's start. First we can simplify, like here is log this root b cube c cube, we can write b c cube and root minus, here is log, here already root b to the power minus 3, this one we can write b minus 3 by 2 minus, here is log, and this root, inside this root we can write b d cube, okay, and divide, this one is 3 by 4 times log 1.44, okay. It's a simple thing. Now we can omit this root sign, so we can write log b c, once we omit root sign it will become 3 by 2 minus log b to the power minus 3 by 2, right, minus similar log b d to the power 3 by 2, okay, and here this is 3 by 4 log 1.44, this one we can write 144 divide 100, okay. Now we know about log a to the power b, we can write b log a. Similar, here we can write 3 by 2 log b c, okay. Then here is minus and here is also minus, so we can write plus 3 by 2 log b minus 3 by 2 log b d, okay. Here is 3 by 4 log 144 and 100. If we want to simplify, this one we can write, look, once we divide by 2 it will be 72 and here is 50, again we divide by 2 it will be 36 and here is 25, so we can write 36 divide 25. Now look, we have to find out the similarity of numerator and denominator. Here is 3 by 2, here is 3 by 2 and here is 3 by 2, but here is 3 by 4, so we need to work something. So this line we can change something, against 3 by 4 we can write 3 divide 2 times 1 by 2, we can write this one. Similar thing, 3 times 1 is a 3, 2 times 2 is a 4. Now it's a very important part in here, we can take common 3 by 2, so here is log B means what? We can write later. BC plus log B minus log BD. Okay? And in here 3/2 and log 36 divide 25, we can write to the power 1/2. How? Look, this one B log A we can write like this. It means B can be power, right? Similar thing here is 1/2 power in here. Okay, so from the last page, it means we finish in here. Now next page, look, this 3/2 and this 3/2 out. So here is log B means 2 times C means 3, okay, plus log B means 2, okay, then minus log B means what? 2 times D means 5, and here this one log, we know any kinds of power, it means a to the power 1/2, it means root a. Therefore here is 36/25 to the power 1/2, we can write root 36 divide 25. Now here is now look, log 2 times 3 is 6 plus log 2 minus log 10, and denominator here is log 6/5, right? And look, we know log A plus log B, it means log AB. Once we make a minus, suppose log C, it means what? It means it divide C. So this one similar thing, we can write log 6 times 2 minus log 10, right? And here log 6 divide 5. So this one is log 12 divide 10, and here is log 6/5 equal, look, we can divide by 2, so here is 6 and here is 5. Now look, here is log 6/5 and here log 6/5. So this one and this one out, the answer will be 1, and this is our desired answer. It's not so easy or not so hard, but we have to keep concentration about law of logarithm, like log A plus log B equals to log AB. Similar, log A minus log B, it means log A by B, right? Also we have to know about log A power B, so we can write B log A. Also we have to know about exponential law, where a to the power 1/2, it means root A. So lots of things are combined in here, and finally we get the result, which is 1. Hope this video will help you. Please keep concentration once you start these kinds of math. No more today. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe my channel, which is Home of Math, and share with your friends. Thank you.